Hi everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. A couple of you have asked if I can do a comparison video for the DJI Avatar with the Polarized filters, and what I've got is the FREEWELL ones here and the SKYREAT ones. I've done some more in detailed reviews of these if you're interested. The links will be up there somewhere, but all we're going to do today is have a quick look at some of the footage and some photos from it and compare the two of them to see whether there is much difference. So we'll check out the footage in a second with some colour tests as well at the end of the video. But first off, not to disappoint any of you, here is today's little joke. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Now, if you want more detail on them, then go and check those videos out. But polarised filters themselves are down to personal preference and things like that. But at the end of the day, I think they improve the footage when you're flying by water or glass windows or buildings and things like that. And they're probably used more in the Mini Pro and things like that. And again, we've done videos on those. But what they do at the end of the day is they help reduce, not eliminate, because a lot of people seem to think, oh, it didn't eliminate my reflections, I could see the sun on it and things like that. They can't get rid of it fully. But what they do is reduce reflections and then reduce glare and things like that on water. And also when you're flying close to the water, if it's really crystal clear water, it helps you see through so you can see everything else down below. As in the build quality of these, I can't tell any difference between them. As you can see here, they're both really good quality. They're made out of aluminium and they do really fit nice and easily and snugly into the Avatar itself. Plus they come with their own cases. The only difference is, as you can see here, is that the SKYREAT ones come with the ND filter box, so you get them as a whole set, whereas the FREEWELL ones, you buy them separately, and these come with their own little plastic case, as you can see here. But that's not a deal breaker, is it? Let's go and check some of the footage out. First off, I'll show you a quick clip of the same area with no filter on whatsoever. Then we'll first look at the FREEWELL ones, then we'll look at the SKYREAT ones, and then we'll compare them side by side so you can make your own mind up whether or not there's any difference between them. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's do some quick colour tests now with this colour checker and see whether there is any difference in them or whether they affect it at all. So if you're thinking of buying these, I don't think you'll be disappointed with either of them. But at the end of the day, if you've already got FREEWELL ones, you'll probably buy those, or if you've already got SKYREAT ones, then you'll probably go and buy them. They're both good quality and they both do exactly what they say on the box. There will be some links down below for you to get them from Amazon, and at the moment, at the time of making this video anyway, there was a 10% discount on there, so go and check them out. And if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Stay safe out there everyone, have fun making stuff, keep smiling. Cheers for now.